Hey, fourth grade math, welcome to page 131 and 132. The lesson for today is called Sums Containing Improper Fractions, okay? And you really don't need to understand the title to understand how to do this lesson today. So, the very first thing we're going to do is do some review. Number one is review. Look what it says. Change these improper fractions. Change these improper fractions. Well, what is that? Remember, if we have a fraction like this, you guys, listen very carefully because some of you guys aren't fully understanding this yet. And when I have time, I'm going to go through and show you if you're not understanding. Sometimes it's a little bit hard to make a video for everybody, so thank you for your patience. But look, if you have a numerator that's bigger on top, okay, so the number is bigger on top than on the bottom, you have to do something, okay? You have to do something to it in order to make a good mixed number. Okay, so listen to that again. If you see a fraction where the number is bigger on the top than on the bottom, you need to do another paso, okay? And what's the other paso? Divide like that. Put the bigger number in the division symbol and put the smaller number on the outside, okay? You make this a 2, right? This is a 6, this is a 2, and then you write your remainder as a fraction. So 2 over 3, right? 2 over this. And that is your real fraction. It's a mixed number, 2 and 2/3. You don't want to leave, you don't want to have fractions where the numerator is bigger on the top than on the bottom, okay? So over here we have the same thing. Go ahead and try that one by yourself. How are you going to divide that? Ready? Okay, what are we going to do? Do 5 into 12. How many times can we do that, Fernanda? 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. 12 minus 10 is 2. Put a 2 here and the 5 here. Okay? Then, then nothing. That's all you do. And then the remainder is a fraction right there. Okay, try letter C by yourself as well because this one comes out a little bit different. So try letter C by yourself. Okay, letter C is like this, right? You have 6 over 2. We can't leave it like that, so we have to put it here. 2 into 6 is how many times, Keanu? 3. So that's 6. This is 0. Do you need to put 0 over 2? No, you don't. Okay, when you don't have a remainder, you don't put anything there. Your answer is just 3. Okay? Okay, now look at number 2, letter A. First of all, the instructions say change the improper fractions and reduce if necessary. Okay, watch what's going to happen when we add these this time. Our denominator right here is what, Salma? 11, right? Okay, our numerator is supposed to be what, Scarlett? 14. Good. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 plus 3 is 14. So the numerator is bigger than the denominator, so what do we have to do, Jayla? Divide. Here we go. Okay, how many times can 11 go into 14, Holly? 1. 1 times 11 is 11. 14 minus 11 is 3. 3 over 11. So there's your answer. 1 and 3/11. Okay, so go ahead and try that over on letter B. Try it by yourself, and then we'll check it together. Okay, what's our denominator, Holly? 5. Good. What's our numerator, Fernanda? 9. Excellent job, because 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 4 is 9. What are we going to do with that number, Keanu? Divide. So let's put it over here. 5 into 9. How many times, Salma? 1. 1 times 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. So it's my fraction as a remainder. Jayla? 4 over 5. Good job, okay? Okay, now look at letter E. Letter E gets a little bit more complicated, but nothing impossible, okay? So let's see here. Nothing is impossible with God. He will help us if we ask him and we honor him. Like we talked about in Bible class. Okay, so here we go. On the bottom, what's our denominator going to be? Kiara. 8, good. What's our numerator going to be, Kiara? 11. Okay, now look at this. Alert. I need to add these whole numbers here, but para qué sirve if I'm going to add the whole numbers right now when 11 over 8 should not be left like that? No podemos dejarlo así. No podemos dejar esa fracción aquí con un número más grande arriba que abajo. Entonces vamos a arreglar eso primero y yo voy a decirle dónde vamos a poner esos números. So here we go, let's divide 8 into 11. How many times, Selma? 1. What's my fraction as a remainder, Keanu? 3 over 8. Okay, good. So watch what we're going to do. Do this with me. Cross this out. Put 3/8. 1 up here. See, the 3/8 goes right here. The 1 goes up here. Listen carefully. I'm going to do this again with you to make sure you understand. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. So your answer is 6 and 3/8. Okay, let's make sure that you understand that. Let's look at letter F. Letter F. And then I'll let you do one by yourself, okay? Here we go, letter F. 7 and 2/9 plus 3 and 7/9. Okay, what's my denominator, Keanu? 9. What's my numerator, Holly? 9. Okay, I shouldn't leave it with the numerator equaling the denominator. So what are we going to do? Divide 9 into 9. How many times does that happen, Kiana? 1. So we put 1 up top and crosses out. We don't have anything left for fractions. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. So your answer is 11. It looks like a smiley face. 11 is your answer. Okay, go ahead and try letter G by yourself and we'll check it. Ready to do it together? Here we go. What's your denominator, Keanu? 4. What's your numerator, Jayla? 5. Okay. Can you leave it like that, Salma? No, no, no. You gotta go over here. What's my remainder as a fraction, Fernanda? 1 and 1/4, right? Okay, so we're gonna cross this out. We're gonna put the 1/4 here and put the 1 up here. What's my whole number, Kiara? 17 and 1/4 is your answer. Okay, so I want to see you try to do letter H by yourself. I'll check it when you send it in to me, okay? Okay, number 3, you're not going to need help on. Number 4, let's look at it. Number 4, let's look at it. At the supermarket, Mrs. Ruffin bought 3 cans of beans for 97 cents per can. So 3 cans, 97 cents per can. She bought milk for $3.69. And she bought bread for $2.08. How much does she spend in all? Well, we don't know yet because we don't know how much she spent on beans. What do we have to do first? 3 cans of beans, 97 cents per cada lata. What do we do first? Listen carefully. You multiply 97 cents by 3. Make sure you have your numero punto right, for your dollar sign and add that to your total. So go ahead and try that by your cents. By your cents. And then do not do letter B. Cross it out. Don't do letter B unless you want to try it. You can try it if you want to. And I think I want to see how you remember number 6. Do you remember number 6? Just remember this. Proper fraction is where the numerator is smaller than the denominator. The top number is smaller than the bottom number. And improper fraction is when the numerator, the top number is bigger than the denominator or equal to. Okay? There you go, guys. Thanks for working hard. Bye.